and welcome. I'm Neha Bajaj, and we are at the ETNow.in Reality Conclave and Awards West Edition 2026. And I have with me Miss Avni from Veena Developers, and they have won the award for Excellence in Luxury Project of the Year, One Lux Veena Insignia. Many congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
So, again, how does it feel with this kind of recognition? You're the representative today on behalf of your brand.
So it is a moment of pride and pleasure as well, because a lot of the team has played a very big role. Be my architectural team, be my construction team, be my brother who's taking care of who's inceptionated this project, be my business development team. So all of them have played a very big role in achieving this success.
That's lovely to hear. And how you said that the your brother is also behind this project and
Yes.
behind this award as well. So again, talking about the Western India's real estate landscape, it is actually constantly evolving, growing, and thriving as well. So again, from your point of view, what is the most important shift that you see today that will actually define the next decade in the next 10 years?
So I see a lot of branded residencies coming in, and that has been booming. It's coming from the north, and it's infiltrating the west as well.
Okay.
And a lot of personalization and customization, especially in the luxury end of the real estate, is being observed, where the customers just not look for four walls, but they want everything in their manner, everything to be as per them. So that is what is the most trending thing that I can see right now. And fitness is playing a very big role now, and every person of the family has become conscious to their own levels, and they are choosing places to stay where fitness is also promoted.
Wow, that's a very well important point that you've covered, and I like the detailings that you
Yeah.
mentioned about the branded residences. Again, talking about real estate, so scale, speed, sustainability. How difficult it is to manage these three?
Uh, yeah, so sustainability is the buzzword for 2026, I'm sure, for sure. Sustainability is taking shape with time. There is a lot of innovation in terms of matching it to the needs of the real estate is to be needed, because sustainability is not cheap as the same point of time.
Yes, that comes to the
So
price.
that comes with the additional cost to the construction, but we are trying our level best and incorporating with all the formalities that are needed for a sustainable environment for the construction and as well as post construction.
Okay, so that's an important point that you mentioned. And again, Avni, as I'm talking to you, it's great to interact with the lady who is there in the real estate sector. But I want to know your journey from where you started, because now, yes, I do see women in the real estate sector, but I'm sure there must be a time when there were not many women in particularly this sector. I've only seen men. So, how do you feel times have changed from then to now, and how has your journey been like?
So I would always say it was never a point in life where women were always there in real estate, but it was just that they were not at the forefront. They are at
Okay.
the back end, and with times and with exposure and with education and with the exploration of gender equality and all that, a lot of women are also seen in the real estate space on the forefront now. My personal journey has been like that, that uh, since the time I joined my business, I was it's a family business, so it's a second generation leadership entering into the business, and I have been with my employees, and they have holded me. They have been there and holded me. So for them, I was this young girl who's there, and it took me a little time to get into the system. But what helped me is that one thing I made sure is I consistently show up in the business. So when they see me every day, and when they see me x number of hours in the office, they understand that this person is serious about what they're trying to do. So that is how we'll set our mark. And and with hard work, of course, and more hard work followed by smart work. Not everything is hard work these days. Smart work also
Yes.
helps. So it was a combination of these two. Yes, definitely. With over the time, I got a grip of the business and grip of real estate. But one thing for sure is once you get a grip of it and once you uh, be in the real estate segment, you start loving it and you're addicted to it and you can't leave it.
Okay, so I can see that that is actually your passion, and that's actually a sign of a good brand leader also, because I like the way how you said that it was your team who actually taught you many things in your start. So again, Avni, there's always, I mean, ever since I have seen Bombay's real estate, I've always heard this thing that, you know, having a house in Mumbai is a dream, and once you have a house in Mumbai, your life is sorted in a way.
Yeah.
So I do believe that, and I do wish to have one. So probably, how do you see the scope of especially the suburbs of Bombay in terms of Andheri West, Bandra, or Juhu in the next 5 years?
So there's lot of redevelopment going on in Andheri, Juhu, Bandra segment, and the landscape is changing now. And there is we are changing the lands. The landscape is changing from the older buildings or the older bungalows to something new, fresh, and also the buildings which are now coming up are more focused on amenities, more focused on
Yes.
larger areas, more focused on providing the best of internal and external connectivity as well. So one of our projects, which is Veena Imperia and Veena Insignia.
Okay.
Veena Insignia is one which won the award today,
Hmm.
and Veena Imperia is the upcoming next project to it. Is largely focused as luxury residences,
Okay.
and we can say it is bang on the link road, and you have your heaven inside as well,
Yeah.
and you have your heaven in terms of connectivity
As
as
well.
well. So that project is mostly focused on providing luxury residences to the Andheri West area, and we have around 50 plus amenities which
Okay.
we are providing to the customers. So that is the way to go for Andheri West at least.
Okay, so that's I'm glad to hear about this new project of yours. And again, Avni, talking about buyers and investors, as you said that luxury comes at a price. Do you see uh, an evolvement in buyers as well, from when you started? Now they're okay to pay more price for the luxury that they are getting, and are the buyers increasing for branded residencies?
Yes, I would say that first in the previous decades, there was just the father or the sole bread earner who would
Or
come
the
to see
male
the
member of
flat.
the
Yeah,
house?
the main
Yeah,
member of the family would just come to see the house,
house.
and he would take the decision and then get his family or kids and the
Okay.
elders and show them that this is the decision I'm taking, basis on whatever financial nuances that he would consider. But as times have evolved, the whole family is now coming in to see the flat. They are getting their Vastu person as well.
Okay.
They are getting the elders of the family as well. And every person is seeing every nook and corner of the project and seeing how it is feasible for the family, the
Hmm.
complete family, and not just that one specific individual.
So everyone's preferences are
Are taken
important.
care, much taken care now, and they are very much self-aware
Of.
about the real estate terminology, real estate laws and regulations. So yeah, we are now dealing with
So
a
buyers
very
are also
yeah
evolved right now,
very well along.
and very well aware, and that's very
Yeah.
important. Again, my last question to you, Avni, if you were to advise the next generation of real estate leaders entering the Western India's market, what's one mindset or capability they must build from day one?
Okay.
Probably that you would
Yeah.
like to share something from your experience.
Yes, surely. So, Veena Developers has completed 35 years. It was started by my father. And when I joined in as a second generation, the first thing that we are told is that if you do not follow my father told us that if you do not follow my principles, which is trust, transparency, and timely delivery, and with consistency, you are not supposed to be the part of the business.
Hmm.
And these these hardbound principles were given to us on day one. So whoever new is joining real estate or whoever is wanting to join real estate,
This timely delivery has been an issue.
Yeah.
which a lot of buyers complain
Yes,
overall in
yes.
general that we hear.
Yeah. So timely delivery is not. Is
I mean, not with
yeah,
Veena
yeah.
developers, but in general that we hear from
Yeah,
people, you know,
that is a debatable question.
that we were supposed to
I would
shift
not
this.
like to touch
No,
that.
no, I mean, generally, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, of course it is. But to the newer generation, I would always say that the newer generation wants to make a bang of a buck in less span of time,
Hmm.
and that leads to a domino effect of negative things one after the other, and which leads to a lot of negative news about real estate that we get to see. So a lot of patience is very much needed if you want to be a part of real estate.
But I'm really glad to hear timely delivery as a very important
Yeah.
characteristic of your brand with trust and transparency. So on that note, thank you so much, Avni, for chatting with us, and many,
Yes.
many congratulations for winning
Sure.
this
So
award.
just one thing that you mentioned,
Huh.
that this also I've learned from my father,
Hmm.
stating that so in the older days, in the 1990s, and
Yeah.
even in the 2000s, there was no specific concept like marketing or advertising or PR or branding.
Yes.
All those were very unheard or untouched concepts.
Topics, yeah.
So my father used to always tell us that if I deliver on time and if I fulfill my commitment, my marketing, my PR, my branding, my
Automatically grows.
everything is taken care of.
Yeah.
So that is what we've stuck to till date.
Okay, so that's
Yes.
a very important point,
Yeah.
and I'm glad to listen to some really interesting points about your brand and your vision, especially, Avni.
Yes.
Thank you so much. for
Thank you
joining
so
us.
much.
Thank you so much for chatting with us.
Thank you so much for having me.